Again, today we're going to continue our work with systems of equations. There's a little story problem about Homer the hungry hippo, and they're eating lily pads. So be careful when you're thinking about your growth. If I'm eating, that's going to be a decreasing growth. So you're going to make your tables, write equations. Again, over on this side, if you can solve the system of equations, remember to put, you should be writing your equations in y equals then mx plus b. But that mx plus b equal to that other mx plus b, you can do that because you're trying to find where those values are exactly the same. When we're solving a system, we're looking for that point of intersection or where those values are exactly the same. So it's going to have the same x coordinate and the same y coordinate because that's the point of intersection. So same deal as yesterday. I want you to make the tables and then solve it using equal values and then using Desmos. And what is the solution? And then today we're going to have a pair deck check for understanding. So at least, like 25, 30 minutes in, we're going to stop, do a pair deck check for understanding. Hopefully I can give you some feedback at that point. After that, we're going to go into solving equations that have fractions in it. Best way to do that is to get rid of this denominator by finding a common denominator, which would be the common number between 3 and 2 is 6. So you would multiply each one of these terms by 6. So this first term by 6, the second term by 6, and then on the other side of the equal sign, multiply each one of those terms by 6. That should eliminate those fractions. And then you have another story problem, and I'm going to give you a little hint that those fractions are the same thing that's appearing in this problem. So write your equations and solve it using equal values. So hopefully you get the same solution here because you should be getting the same equations. But then we just want to know when the plants will be the same height. And check your graph or check your solution. You can do it with Desmos. Desmos is a really nice way to do that. In order to use Desmos, remember you go to desmos.com and then just type in the equations and look for the point of intersection.